Last time on
Motovlogging channel.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
Hello, gear check people. I'd like to check my gear.
Hi!
I'm def videotaping. What do you think about this track?
It's awesome.
Is it one of the best?
Yeah,
one of the best, isn't it?
It's not so good for the guy in general.
Not too
Starting on his speaking, but
yeah.
let's see.
Moto 3 bike sounds so freaking cool. Found me a little shady spot over here. Have me some pizza. Look, I'm doing Italian things, right? With crushed peppers on them. To add some MotoGP flair, I have a Red Bull. Pretty greasy pizza here. One bite, everyone knows the rules, right? Is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah, I strongly suggest.
I mean, it's better than like a Pizza Hut, but it's like a 4.2. There you go. We got me on a Ducati bicycle now. Look at this little guy right here. It's got Olin suspension front and rear. Renthal fat bars. I don't know what brakes they are, but they're definitely high-end hydraulics. This thing is nicer than some motorcycles I've owned. Let's go see what trouble we get into with this. They're about to start here in MotoAmerica. What a great conclusion to the day. Ducati and MotoGP qualified 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then Danilo in MotoAmerica, who pulled third, won the race. Yeah, we're out here on the track. Woo! What's up? Oh, look at all this, dude. Look at this. Wow. That's a pretty good Saturday, man. That was a lot of fun. That wasn't even the main race. What, do you guys own the road or something? Such a fun time, man. This is... Why did I never come out here? This is so dope. Good Sunday morning. It is race day. Getting the Ducati all warming up. 2,500 miles, or it will in just a minute, of pure media use. It's not had an easy life. She runs fine, no issues. Here I am taking care of her, letting her warm up a bit. It's in my nature. I can't help it. No, she's beautiful though. She's beautiful. Look at me, Captain Early over here. Woo, you looking good. More light. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm crazed with sunburn, fatigue, and Ducatiness. So I'm having it's a good thing though. It's a good thing. 11 to 13 year olds out there racing right now. How cool would that be to be a kid out here on the track, running out here? Morning. I'll have a bar and an espresso. Is that an Italian breakfast? Am I doing the Ducati thing?
This one not really, but this part.
Okay, this part not really, but the espresso part's right. Moto 2 doing some warm up laps. That's MotoGP. A little louder. Do you mind? Thank you so much.
These guys flew a long way to get
Good luck
here
today, sir. Thank you.
to share this moment with you. You guys know that there's been no other manufacturer that's done that since 2003, so 19 years ago. And the first time for Ducati, the top 5 sweep.
Oh, I just missed it.
Thank you so much.
Got Jack to sign it. I just missed it.
First of all, to be back here in COTA and to see all you lovely people. You know, we missed you here last year. We weren't really doing anything outside, and no, it feels like good old times again. So, no, I'm very happy to be back.
It's about to go down, ladies.
For people who paid for the Ducati badge, here's the cool Ducati stuff. We got a lunch for us today while Moto 2's out there racing right now. Is this gluten free, sir? Is this? That's literally the CEO of Ducati USA himself. Is one of the servers up there, along with a bunch of the other executives, serving us this Italian cuisine. I don't even know what half of this stuff is, but it's gonna be good.
Eating. I like that.
Be on camera.
Oh, nice, lovely. You can hear my like horse.
You have to have a bit of a talky voice. Hello, everybody. As you can see, the MotoGP is about to begin.
Remain standing, singing our national anthem.
Oh, sing us that star-spangled
Look who I ran into.
What up? We gotta go on some rides together.
Right?
What do you think?
It's gonna be dope.
Moto vlogs?
Yeah, man, I got a bike out there right now. You ready to go?
Let's go.
I'll be the one on back. I prefer it that way. I want to crank back, touch the ground.
You gotta come out to California and ride with us.
I will, man.
You got places
For
to
sure.
stay?
Oh, Red makes the move. Second place for Red. Can he hold on to it? It's going to be any which way and loose for Henny and Bastianini as he comes out of the last corner and wins the Grand Prix here in Austin. Second place for Oscar the Firework.
Some good racing there in Ducati. Their satellite rider getting first, and then Jack was trying to pull together there at the end, get second, but Suzuki guy snuck in there, but he got third. Still a really good day. And wow, that satellite rider though, getting first. That's so cool. Moto 3 lining up, getting ready to go. Yeah, it's very loud. You're not gonna be able to hear me. No, I have to get up and assist. They're trying to get me in trouble. All these girls here talking to me.
Tell them about what you
What did you think of the race? I'm putting you on the spot. Go.
I don't know anything about anything, but I know I'm having a lot of fun, so I love it.
There you go. Yeah. All right, we got MotoAmerica for their second race. That couldn't have gone any better. Literally, Ducati has won every race this weekend. Well, the ones that they were participating in. Good time to do a Ducati thing. Really couldn't be any better. I'm here. They said I'm their good luck charm, so now they said, oh, we'll have to bring you every year. I feel really dumb for never coming out to this. This was awesome. I think doing it that way was so dope. If you're gonna come to this race, whether you own a Ducati or not, I really think you should go and get like your pass to go to the Ducati Island and get the little extra pass so you can go. I don't know how much more extra it is. You get the pass, you go there. That's a ticket to the race. Think of it that way. That's your ticket to the race. You go to the, well, to go into the Ducati Island's free. It's just you got to pay a little something to get into like the extra thing. Well, I had tickets, right? I had tickets to this race. I never actually used my tickets because my seats weren't as good as just chilling there in the Ducati thing. And it was way more fun. I was with all the Ducati guys. You don't have to have a Ducati to do all that. You can do it. And I would suggest doing it. We also literally got a lunch served us by the executives and the CEO of Ducati. How dope is that? It was so Italian too. I loved it. Do it with Ducati, I'm telling you, man. Of course, the Ducatiness doesn't end. I'm gonna take this thing home later tonight. I had to come over here to make a diversion on my way to the hotel just to have a quick laugh at these guys with their New Mexico adventure bikes. You got a Tiger 900, a GS 850 on a trailer. You know they didn't correct anybody when they showed up at the track with those plates. Wow, you guys really came a long way. Oh yeah. Please, if I ever get to the point where I'm loading an adventure bike onto a trailer with it's perfectly good working order, I should say, please kick me in the face. Alright, my GPS is I'm gonna arrive at home at 2:53 a.m. Doable with me. I feel good. Austin, I'll see you next time. Bye, Austin. We're now passing into the realm of Waco. Well, it's about 120 miles down and probably about that many left to go. We're getting there though. There's Dallas. We've made it this far. We're doing pretty good. My hometown. And then I was home. But apparently I was too tired to actually give a conclusion, hence why I'm here now. Hi everybody. The Ducati is home and we get to ride it around. Actually, it's been here for a little over a month now and I'm soon gonna have to give it back. Thank you to Ducati for lending me this thing, bringing me out to the race, doing all this great stuff. I hate that this happened this way, but again, the audio was a little bit odd when I was riding. There's so much stuff I had to cut. Unfortunately, a helmet company that I used to work with no longer works with me. That was very abrupt. It gave me about a day before I had to leave to switch everything to an older helmet, which would have been fine, except my main setup had changed since then. I'm now using the Insta360 RS as my main camera, direct audio in. I'll have a video about that coming up here at some point too. I thought I had it set up right, I didn't. Also, the 360 camera was like in time-lapse the whole time. If you ever actually want to chat with me, hang out with me, I actually have a Discord where I'm very active in there. We actually have voice chats in there, in it all the time. It's only $1 a month, so join the Discord and come actually hang out with me. You also get to see this video earlier access, ad-free, uncensored, blah, blah, blah. It's a much better version of this video, so you should do that. Did you enjoy this series though? Let me know. If you're not subscribed, maybe subscribe. Like, I think like less than 25% of y'all that watch these videos are subscribed. It's pretty ridiculous. It does help me out when you do that. The Monster Plus is fun though. If you were to see me on another Ducati, what would you want to see me on? The Hyper? One of the Scramblers? The Desert X? I mean, yeah, I would love to get my leg over a Desert X. Comment that below. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.